Hello, with the instructions on how to change blade on Luckydecoder. This instruction is suitable for most Luckydecoders, but in this case I'll show on Technomax 4x4. This is the blade we'll put on, and this is the tool we will disassemble in order to do so. So you will need some sort of napkin or something like this, because there is a lot of grease in here and you probably don't want to oil up your workspace. So something like a napkin. Also, this full procedure can be done with those two hex keys. Those are very small hex keys, two different sizes, but for my convenience in these instructions I will use those small Allen key screwdrivers. Now we don't actually need the box, so this is the tool. First step, you need to remove the gussets from the whole blade. So you grab the smaller hex key, in my case screwdriver, and this bolt, unscrew it. If you need just to replace the gussets, don't unscrew it all the way. Something like this is enough. Now you rotate turbo wheel fully left, and now you can extract the gussets. Put them aside. Now we have blade. Pump blade is inside, and we have the handle. To continue the procedure, two hex stop screws here. Unscrew them a little, and now you can remove the back turbo wheel. Now you can unscrew this all the way up, or you can do it in the beginning, it doesn't matter. This one slides up, it still can't go off the tool, keep it here. Now there are three handle parts here. You have outside thread, inside thread, and stop cap here. So outside thread clockwise until you see this hole here, which have this circular bar inside. Put it aside, remove it. This thing is fully covered in grease, so don't put it on your workbench, put it on something that can handle it. Now you screw this counterclockwise. If you look at the tool like this, counterclockwise. Again, don't unscrew it all the way, just until you see this hole here. And again, with small hex key, push same circular bar outside. Put it aside. Again, it's all covered in grease. Now you can just remove this part here. If you want to clean it, unscrew it all the way, but then you must reapply the grease, or just keep it this way. It will be easier to assemble. Put it aside, and now we can remove this tension wheel. This is the blade. This is what we will replace. Now in most cases, when the blade is broken, your pumper blade is usually also damaged. In this case, you just grab the new one, and I'll show you what to do. Now this was our blade from the tool. Now we will get the new one. If your old pump blade is in good condition, you just place it back there. Now when you hold your tool like this, you can see by the shape of those rectangular holes, there is a little space to the left, or if I rotate it like this, it's to the right. So you hold it like this, in this position. Those spaces are oriented to the left. Now you grab your pump bar like this. You see, I rotate both so you know the orientation. And then here you can see a slot. You just put it here. Push all the way in, and this is how you change or replace your pump bar. Now here you can put your cassettes back, or if you want you can do this after the whole handle is assembled. I prefer to do it now. So Technomax 4x4 have two mirrored cassettes, so first one go here. Again, this is the orientation, rectangular hole. Let me zoom in. Rectangular hole with a little bit of space to the left, and this space is reserved for this angled bump. Now, first cassette in, second cassette in. Now you just put your thumb like this, press lightly. Here your pump bar should be all the way back, and when it's all the way back and you are pressing like that on the cassettes, you push the pump bar to the front of the tool and your cassettes will go down. Now from here you just reverse the procedure. First, tension wheel. Right now the orientation isn't important, just don't put it like this, I think it's obvious. Then you grab our small assembly with inner thread and outside thread. You put it on, so you have three holes. This one is for the tension wheel, this one is for the threads, and this one is for the stop cap. So threads like this, look for your holes to align. Grab the circular bar. It is chamfered on one side, and put the chamfered side first. It will be way easier to align everything. Now you can just slide up and front, up and down until you reach the hole. You push it all the way in, and now you screw this up until you are able to see this hole and the pumper inside. Now sliding up, it goes like this, not like this, like this. Again, align your holes like this in the pumper. Second bar, again, it's chamfered on one side, so it's easier to push in. Unscrew, not all the way. If your cassettes are in, just a little bit, like this. Now, if your cassettes are in, put your tension wheel like this. Screw is the opposite side of this long hole for your pump bar, so it goes like this. Now you just need to aim for this hole, and you screw this all the way in. Now rotate this fully left. Your cassettes won't come out. Put the pump wheel here, or the turbo wheel, and press, rotate counterclockwise until you see this stop point, and this stop point with this screwed all the way in should be here on the hole on the side of the scale, on the left side of the scale. If you look at the scale like this, left here. And now with the bigger hex key you can screw those tight. And your tool is assembled and ready for work. This is how to replace blades on Luckydecoder, and in this case it's Technomax 4x4.